What is going on, you guys? This is Tech HD coming at you with a brand new video, and today we're going to be taking a look at a brand new microphone. So this is from the company Comica, and if you guys have been around my channel for a while, you guys know that I worked with Comica a while back. I reviewed a whole bunch of their different microphones, stuff for their phones, for cameras, for phones and cameras, stuff like that, and they are now getting more into the streaming, into connecting to computers and stuff like that. And so we are going to be taking a look at this. This is the Comica STM-USB microphone. It is a USB Cardioid Condenser microphone, and this is advertised for streaming, for vocals, like podcasting, for making YouTube videos, for voiceover, stuff like that. And so it comes with everything needed. It comes with a pop filter, it comes with a stand, it comes with the screws to mount onto a boom pole or anything like that, and it can be used for a computer, for Mac, and even for phones, which is crazy. So we're going to be unboxing this, we're going to be taking a look at this, what it comes with, and then we're going to be doing a whole bunch of different sound tests on a desktop, on a laptop, on a phone, and then we're going to see overall how it performs and if it's really worth it or not. So taking a look at what comes in the box, you get the user manual, the microphone itself, a USB-C to USB-C cable, a USB-C to USB-A cable, a pop filter, the tabletop to hold the microphone, a 3/8 mount to hold the microphone, a 1/4 inch thread to hold the mic as well, and a pouch to hold the microphone and accessories for easy and safe travels. Taking a look at the microphone, you have the gain and volume knob and an indicator light to let you know that there's power and when you're muted. On the side, you have a switch to go from cardioid or bi-directional, a headphone port to hear yourself and know exactly how you sound, and a mute button. On the bottom, you have a connection that takes a USB-C, which is very nice to see. Alright, you guys, so now we are doing an audio test coming directly from the Comica STM-USB microphone, and you guys are hearing the raw audio right now. So let me know down in the comments below of what you guys think of it. But basically, the way that I have this set up, I'm going to show you guys real quick, is I have this plugged into my PC, and I'm not using the cable that came with it. I love the fact that this takes USB-C, so I'm using the USB cable that I use to charge my phone, have that plugged in because I need a longer cable, and it works perfectly fine. I love that. On top of that, I have the gain set to 25%, and looking at the waveform right now, I have Adobe Audition, and I'm recording it in Adobe Audition and then singing it in post with the video portion of it. But looking at the waveform, it seems to be not peaking at all. It seems to be right around about -18 to -12 decibels, which is where I want it to be. And you guys are hearing the raw audio of it as well. I have it set to cardioid, of course, so that it's blocking out the background as well as the sides, and it's just picking up what's in front, which is my voice. I'm keeping a good distance, so it's not picking up much of the plosives, even though I do have the pop filter. On top of that, I do have the volume set to about 50%, and I do have headphones connected directly to it so I can hear live how it sounds like, and it sounds pretty clean, to be honest. And then I do have it mounted to a boom pole, so that's great. It does work for a boom pole, which is perfectly fine, and it sounds, to be honest, as a USB condenser microphone, it sounds really clean audio. Like, it sounds really good for podcasting, for voiceovers, for streaming, for regular YouTube videos like that. And I've been using this as a streaming microphone for a couple of days now, and I'm gonna show you guys some example footages of that. But honestly, for using this for anything else like that, it's going to be like a great microphone, in my opinion. After listening back and forth of how it sounds like, I think it's going to be a really good option of a microphone for you guys to get started in improving audio, whether you guys are doing voiceovers, whether you guys are doing streaming, podcasting, anything like that. I think this is going to be a really good microphone, and it does come with everything needed to get started. So now I'm going to show you guys some example footages from the stream of using this microphone, and I want you guys' thoughts as well down in the comments below of what you guys think of the audio. That's exactly what I want to do.
How did he get all the way up there?
He climbed and jumped over. Alright. Michael? Stop! Stop! Why am I always the victim? Alright, you guys, so now I want to show you a sound test using the Comica STM-USB microphone connected directly to my laptop. I have Adobe Audition set up. You can see I have a different camera angle to show you guys that I do actually have Adobe Audition set up. And this is plugged in with the USB cable that is provided, USB-C to USB-C, because my laptop actually does have a USB port, a USB Type-C port. I have the gain to about 25%, And the way that I do this for the audio is I keep it at like around -50 decibel when it's just pure quiet, -50 to -45, and then when I'm talking, I'm making sure that I'm around -18 to -12 decibels. So you guys are hearing the raw audio of it. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. I'm using the headphones to listen, and it sounds pretty clear. I have the volume set to about 50, and I really like the setup. Like I said, it's really good for live streaming, for podcasting, for playing video games, you know, stuff like that, for voiceovers, and just making regular YouTube videos like this, for example. So laptop, USB cable, have it on everything that comes with it. You know, there's nothing that's like that you need to go and buy or anything like that. I have the pop filter right in front of it. I just have my headphones, and I have Adobe Audition. You can use Audacity if you want to as well. I'm just so much more used to Adobe Audition. But yeah, let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Also, I do want to let you guys know that there's two different pickup patterns in this microphone. So you got cardioid, and then you got bi-directional. So right now, what you guys been hearing the entire time in the live stream footage, as well as the using it as a live streaming microphone, and as this setup right now, it's set to cardioid. So that means it's just picking up what's in front of it, it's blocking out what's in the side and what's behind it as well. So if I was to snap my finger, you won't hear it that much on the side or in the back, but you're gonna hear it a lot more in the front. So let me show you an example. Okay, so now if I switch over to bi-directional, okay, so now with bi-directional, that means it's just picking up what's in front and what's behind it. It blocks out the side. So this is good for if you want to do like an interview style. I have one person on the other side, and then I just have the microphone right in the center. It's just picking up what's in front of me, and it's picking up behind it as well. So let's do an example. Okay, so that is bi-directional. Like I said, if you, this is mainly for like interview style, have it right in the center of the table, and it's picking up what's in front of me and what's in front of the other person. And now we're gonna switch over to cardioid. And then, like I said, so cardioid is more for voiceovers, for streaming. It's 90% of what people use. They don't really use omnidirectional or stereo. Stereo is really for like ASMR or some stuff like that. Omnidirectional is if you just want to pick up everything and just get a little bit cleaner audio. You want to pick up the background noise and stuff like that. That's more for like Foley or anything like that. Cardioid is mainly for everything else, streaming, voiceovers, video, stuff like that. Bi-directional is mainly for like two people type of audio setup. And then this also has a mute button. Okay, so I unmuted myself, but basically there is an indicator light that tells me when I'm muted and when I'm not. So when I'm not muted, it's going to be blinking green, and then when I am muted, it's going to be a solid red color, which is really nice. But yeah, let me know what you guys think down in the comments below of the bi-directional as well as the cardioid, and what you guys think of the audio quality. Like I said, this is just the raw audio of it, so I really want to hear your guys' feedback of it. One last thing that I do want to show you guys is you could plug this in directly into your phone. So like, for example, I have my phone right here and I'm recording directly into the phone. So if you want to be more on the go, or if you want to use this phone as for live streaming and then plug in a microphone like this, you could do that. You could get an adapter to convert it from USB-C to lightning connection for iPhones, or if you want to do micro USB, if you still have that older phone, you could do that exactly. Or if you want to do that 3.5 millimeter, same thing as well. But I wanted to show you guys the possibilities that this microphone could be used for not only your computer or your laptop, but you could plug this directly to your phone and be more on the go if you want to still do voiceovers, or if you want to do live streaming directly from your phone. So I wanted to show you guys, I have my laptop down here. You know, I'm not using my laptop anymore. I have this plugged in directly into my phone, and you guys are hearing the raw audio of it. So let me know what you guys think down in the comments below as well of the audio connected directly to my phone. So there you guys have it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. My overall review of the Comica STM-USB microphone is that this is really versatile, and it's for anything that you want it to be. Whether you're going to be live streaming, doing voiceovers, doing YouTube videos like this, for example, this could do it all, and it gives you so much flexibility. I showed you guys how it is when I'm playing with my friends and live streaming. I showed you how it is for voiceovers and having it hooked up to my laptop like I'm doing right now. You guys aren't hearing the raw audio of it now. This is the edited portion of it, and I showed you guys how it is if you're connected to a phone as well. So even if you're live streaming on a phone, or if you want to do a quick voiceover on the go, you have that option. This reminds me a lot of Rode's microphone, their NT-USB microphone, because it has like almost the exact same setup. The only thing is that this is much more up to date. It has that USB Type-C connection, which I really love. And my only con about this, the build quality of the microphone and the pop filter is great. The only thing is that the stand is plastic, and I feel like it gets a little bit wobbly. I feel like it'll tilt over, or it might fall. So far it seems pretty sturdy, but overall I would have liked it to be like a heavy metal or something like that to like really stay on the table and not jerk or anything like that, because it does get a little bit wobbly if I were to just use the stand. But overall, the quality of the microphone, the build quality, the audio test, it's really good, and it could be used for anything. But yeah, let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys do have any questions or concerns, let me know down in the comments, and everything will be linked down in the description below. This goes for like around 120 bucks, so it's really good if you just want to get started with audio and then work your way up from there. But there you guys have it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on post notifications so that you guys can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Follow me on Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, and Twitch. As always, TechHD. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace!